Hi, I'm Stache. Let me tell you about my new band, the Living Room Bandits' next show, Saturday, April 28th at Aphrodisiac, Oyster. Now, of course, we've done something ridiculous involving alcohol in all of our promotional videos so far. So today, we're going to perform a time-honored tradition, the Boone's Race. That's to say, who can chug a bottle of Boone's Farm wine the fastest? So I have 2 bottles here of Strawberry Hill. I've got our bass player, Jason, who's willing to participate. Our cameraman, Jake, not so much. So, what do you say, Jason? Shall we drink some Boone's Farm?
Well, yes, man, I think we should.
Let's go outside and you sweet it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That actually sounds good.
Come on, Jake. Jake, why don't you count us in?
1, 2, 3, go.
Son of a bitch.
What? Oh, it's called.
It's harder than I remember.
Ladies and gentlemen, alcoholism.
It's been a long time since high school.
Not that long.
You little shit, guzzle that wine. Guzzle it.
Is that? God.
That happened last time I did this. Damn.
Don't just stare at it. Chug it.
I can't help it. I'm just admiring his technique.
Gotta open the throat.
That's what she said.
Well, anyways, I have to say this. Nothing in life is worth doing unless there's a chance that you might regret it. But you know what you won't regret? Coming to see the Living Room Bandits, Saturday, April 28th at Aphrodisiac, Oyster. Doors open at 9.